Hello everybody! Today I want to talk about virtual zone status. So IT zone free tax status companies in 2021 recent difficulties that you might have heard of. I want to outline the current situation and to let you know what is the current circumstance. Is virtual zones tax-free status for information technology services still a thing in Georgia? Can you still consider this or not? So let's start with the background story. Some of my clients for a few years now was registered in the status. Most of them, they are not located in Georgia. They registered companies here. They were operating their businesses from abroad because, as you know, IT business is online business and you can operate it from wherever you want. And they were just declaring their profit to the revenue house, and as per legislation, they were corporate tax free, so they would pay 5% of dividend tax only. Some country citizens, residents, they even did not pay 5% of dividend tax because according to the double taxation treaties between Georgia and those countries, they were also dividend tax free. So my clients either would pay 5% of dividend tax or didn't pay tax at all. Recently, however, Revenue House reached some of these companies and are appealing on the fact the portion of the law legislation which is pretty unclear. So what they appeal about is that in order to benefit from this status, the services needs to be delivered from the territory of the Georgia. What does territory of Georgia mean? It's uncertain for me personally. Does this mean that the company is registered in Georgian legislation, or does this mean that I'm sitting in Georgia and doing this business from Georgia? Whatsoever, let's talk about the solutions. That's most important rather than problem, right? What is the solution for this moment? Well, some of the companies can appeal in the court, and I work with a very well qualified lawyer who can probably win this case, and has already won some cases, but that's probably not the best solution for most of you who are operating in Georgia. What you can do for the future, if you are looking for still benefiting from this status, you could consider either relocating in Georgia and getting Georgian residency by living here and running business from here. That's the one way of claiming your residency work permit, or claim your work permit as a high net worth individual. High net worth individuals are those people who have in their home country at least 60,000 euro annual income. If they can prove this kind of income, you can claim Georgian tax residency straight away. That's another way to get Georgian residency. In that case, you're a tax resident of Georgia, and you comply with this registration and you can benefit from tax-free status for IT businesses. That might not be an option for most of you because you are not looking for relocating in other country and you want to stay wherever you are. In that case, the solution for you is that you hire Georgian staff, Georgian employees who will deliver IT services for you from Georgia. As I said earlier, Revenue House appeals about the fact that these services has to be delivered from Georgia. When you do have local staff who deliver services for you from Georgia, in that case you won't face such kind of problems. So that's all for today. That's the solution for you to keep benefiting from virtual zone status in Georgia. Hope it was useful. Hope it answered your questions. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, if you would like to get help with this matter, or if you have some more questions, you can always claim your free online consultation with me. I will leave down in the description of this video the website link. My website is at devski.com. You can visit my website. You can see there whatever I'm doing. I'm basically helping foreigners to invest in Georgia. And there you can also find the contact information. Contact me if you need any help. Bye for now. Thanks.